आज हम सीखने वाले एडिंग सिंगल बिग डिजिट टू एनी नंबर, एडिंग 9 टू एनी नंबर। तो एक सम गिवन है, तो इसमें क्या है, व्हेन वी ऐड 9 टू अबव नंबर, a increases by 1, that is a plus 1, and b decreases to b minus 1, that is b minus 1। तो ये आपको मैं एग्जांपल्स के साथ बताता हूँ। तो यहाँ पे दिया है 54 प्लस 9 इक्वल टू 63। तो ये कैसे आया, तो जो b है यानी कि 4, तो 4 माइनस 1 इज़ 3, दैट्स 3, एंड 5 प्लस 1 इज़ 6। ये हमारा सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल 76 प्लस 9। तो इसमें क्या किया है, 6 माइनस 1 इज़ 5 and 7 plus 1 8, that is 85। Third example 133 plus 9, 3 minus 1 equal to 2 and 13 plus 1 is 14, that is 142। Fourth example 262 plus 9, that is 2 minus 1 equal to 1 and 26 plus 1 is 27। So let's give it a try. Solve this by yourself. 168 plus 9, 778 plus 9, 23 plus 9। Now adding 8 to any number. So this is the sum given. So what is this? When we add 8 to any number, the a increases by a plus 1 and b decreases to b minus 2. Let's see by examples. So here 63 plus 8 is 71. So how this came? 3 minus 2 equal to 1 and 6 plus 1 is 7. That is 71. Over here 88 plus 8, that is 96. 8 minus 2 6 and 8 plus 1 is 9. Over here 135 plus 8, that is 143. 5 minus 2 3 and 13 plus 1 14. So give it a try by yourself. Solve these examples. 94 plus 8, 269 plus 8, 43 plus 8. Over here adding 7 to any number. So this is the sum. What is it? When we add 7 to any number, the a becomes a plus 1 and b decreases to b minus 3. Let's check it by examples. 76 plus 7 is 83, that is 6 minus 3 is 3, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Over here 85 plus 7 is 92. 5 minus 3 equal to 2 and 8 plus 1 9. 226 plus 7 is 233, that is 6 minus 3 is 3 and 22 plus 1 is 23. So give it a try and solve it by yourself. 105 plus 7, 56 plus 7, 998 plus 7, and comment your answer. Single column addition using dot method. Over here 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3, the sum is given. So what is dot method? Whenever exceed by 10, add a dot. So let's see the sum. Over here 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. So here 13 exceeded by 10, so we add a dot over here. Now take the unit place digit, that is 3. 3 plus 8 is 11. Over here again 11 is greater than 10, that's why we add a dot over here. Now take the unit place digit, that is 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. Over here we again get a 10, so we add a dot over here. So now take the unit place, that is 0. Over here we write the 0 and then we simply calculate the number of dots, it is 1 2 3, so we write over here 3. Take the another example, that is 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5. Now 5 plus 6 equal to 11, that is 11 is greater than 10, so we add a dot over here. Then take the unit place number, that is 1. Then 1 plus 7 equal to 8. Now 8 plus 8 is 16. Over here 16 is again greater than 10, so we add a dot over here. Now take the unit place number 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. That is again greater than 10, so we add a dot over here. So take the unit place number, that is 2, and 2 plus 5 equal to 7. Now 7 plus 4 is 11, so again we add a dot over here. Now take the unit place number and write it into the answers place, that is 1. And now add the number of dots, 1 2 3 4, that is 4. Here we get the answer. Now let's give a try. Solve this sum by yourself, by addition and by subtraction. This is applicable for numbers having near round figure of 10, 20, 30, 100, 1000, 200. So let's see the examples. 335 plus 997 equal to 335 plus 1000 minus 3. So here 997 is round figure to 1000 and minus 3 is done. So we get the answer 1332. Over here 449 plus 550 equal to 450 plus 550 minus 1. Over here 449 is round figure to 450 and then done minus 1. So we get the answer 999. Over here 6587 plus 996 equal to 6587 plus 1000 minus 4. 996 is done round figure to 1000 and then minus 4. The answer is 7583. Over here 347 plus 39 equal to 347 plus 40 minus 1. 39 is done the round figure to 40 and then minus 1. The answer is 386. So practice it by yourself. Addition by method of completion. This is try to complete numbers as possible. That is 1 and 9, 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6. These are the combinations for completion of 10. Let's see examples. 1 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 equal to 10 plus 10. That is 1 plus 9 is 10 and 8 plus 2 is 10 equal to 20. Now second example, 48 plus 40 plus 62. Now over here 48 plus 62 completes to 110 plus 40, that is 150. Now here 36 plus 27 plus 84 plus 33. 36 plus 84 makes completes to 120 and 27 plus 33 is 60 and total is 180. So when we do 8 plus 2, that is 10, and over here 7 plus 3 is 10. So this makes us easy to solve. Now practice it by yourself. Subtracting single big digit from any number. Subtracting 9 from any number. Over here AB minus 9, A minus 1 and B plus 1. Let's see the examples. 67 minus 9 equal to 58. Over here 7 plus 1 is 8 and 6 minus 1 is 5. Over here 78 minus 9 equal to 69. That is 8 plus 1 equal to 9 and 7 minus 1 is 6. Over here 97 minus 9 equal to 88. 7 plus 1 equal to 8 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Over here 262 minus 9 equal to 253. That is 2 plus 1 equal to 3 and 26 minus 1 is 25. Now practice this by yourself. Subtracting 8 from any number. AB minus 8 is A minus 1 and B plus 2. See examples. 56 minus 8 is 48. That is 6 plus 2 is 8 and 5 minus 1 is 4. 75 minus 8 is 67. That is 5 plus 2 is 7 and 7 minus 1 is 6. 152 minus 8, that is 144. 2 plus 2 is 4 and 15 minus 1 is 14. Try this.
Subtracting 7 from any number. AB minus 7, that is A minus 1 and B plus 3. Examples. 76 minus 7, that is answer is 69. That is 6 plus 3 is 9 and 7 minus 1 is 6, that is 69. 125 minus 7 is 118. That is 5 plus 3 is 8 and 12 minus 1 is 11. Over here 56 minus 7 is 49. That is 6 plus 3 equal to 9 and 5 minus 1 is 4. Solve this.
Any number from power of 10. Over here 10,000 minus A, B, C, D. So the formula is 9 minus A, 9 minus B, 9 minus C, 10 minus D. Remember, in the units place take 10 minus D and the rest places take 999. Now see examples. 10,000 minus 3297. So as per the trick, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 7 is 6703. Over here 1000 minus 297. So 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 10 minus 7. Answer is 703. Over here 10,000 minus 297. But here the answer to be subtracted is 297, that is 3 numbers, and the 10th power are 4. So add 0 over here. So now the answer will be 9 minus 0, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 9, 9 minus 10 minus 7. So 9703. Over here 1000 minus 085. So now over here the subtracted number is 2 and 0 are 3. So add 0 over here. So now 9 minus 0, 9 minus 8, 10 minus 5. The answer is 915. Try this. Spatial subtraction method. Subtracting numbers from left to right. The question is 2984 minus 1293. Here lower digit 9 is greater than the upper digit, that is 9 is greater than the 8. Hence, we have to put 1 before corresponding upper digit. That is, we have to put 1 before 8. Now we have to solve from left to right. That is, 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 2 is 7, but 1 is previously given to 8. That is, 1 is given to 8. Therefore, we have to subtract 1 from 7. That is 6. So, 9 minus 2, it will be 6. Now, as we have given 1 previously to 8, so we have to take it as a 18 number. So, 18 minus 9 is 9. Now, 4 minus 3 is 1. So, the answer is 1691. So, this is type 2. 2137 minus 1142. In this question, we can see that 11, that is upper digit and lower digit, are same. So, when the same numbers are there, we have to look for the next column, that is 3 and 4. So, here 3 is smaller than the 4. So, we have to carry over 1 to the 3 as previously done in the type 1. Now, 1 before upper digit in second column as well as in third column, that is before 1 and 3. That is, we have to put 1 before 1 and 3. Now we have to solve it as done in type 1, that is from left to right. 2 minus 1 is 1, but we have given 1 to the second column, that is 1. So it will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now we have to take this 1 as 11. Then 11 minus 1 is 10, but we have given 1 to the next column, that is 3. So 10 minus 1 is 9. Now we have to take this as 13 as a whole number. 13 minus 4 is 9, and then 7 minus 2 is 5. In this question, we have the same digits, but the next digit is also greater than the lower digit. So we don't have to take any carryover over here. So the answer will be 2 minus 1 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 0, 3 minus 2 1, 7 minus 2 5. Now try this. Multiplication. 2 digit into 2 digit. 14 into 12 is equal to 168. So how this came? 4 into 2 equal to 8. That is our units place. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 1 equal to 2 plus 4 is 6. That is our tens place. And 1 into 1 is equal to 1. That is our hundreds place. The second example, 24 into 32 equal to 768. So multiply 4 into 2, that is 8, and multiply 3 into 4 plus 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 12. The answer is 16. The 6 is at tens place, and take 1 as carryover. Carryover to 7. 2 into 3 is 6. Then 6 plus 1 is 7. This 1 is our carryover which we take from here. The answer is 768. Now 2 digit into single digit. 34 into 9 equal to 306. So how this came? 4 into 9 equal to 36. Hence 6 is at units place, and take 3 as carryover. Now multiply 3 into 9 and 0 into 4. 27 plus 0. Now take the carryover 3. 27 plus 3 is 30. Now multiply 3 into 0, that is 0 plus 3 carryover. So answer is 306. Multiplication. 3 digit into 3 digit. 124 into 532. The answer is 65968. So how this came? Multiply 4 into 2 is 8. That is at units place. Multiply 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4, that is 16. Then 6 is at tens place, and take 1 as carryover. Now multiply 2 into 1 and 5 into 4 and 2 into 3, and add this all. That is 2 plus 20 plus 6, that is 28 plus 1. This 1 is carryover which we take from this. The answer is 29. Now take 2 as carryover. Multiply 3 into 1 and 5 into 2 equal to 10 plus 3, that is 13 plus 2. This 2 is carryover. That answer is 15. Take 1 as carryover. And now the last step, 1 into 5, that is 5 plus 1 carryover. This is 6. So write accordingly. 6, 5, 9, 6, 8. Now 3 digit into 2 digit. 124 into 32 equal to 3968. 4 into 2 equal to 8. Now here 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4 equal to 4 plus 12, that is 16. Take 1 as carryover. Now over here 2 into 1 plus 4 into 0 plus 2 into 3, that is 2 plus 0 plus 6, that is 8 plus 1. This 1 is carryover, equal to 9. Now 3 into 1, 2 into 0 equal to 0 plus 3, that is 3. Now 1 into 0 equal to 0. So the answer is 3968. Multiplication. First half it, then double it. 24 into 7 equal to 168. 24 is even number, so we can divide it by 2. Therefore 24 divided by 2 into 7 equal to 12 into 7, that is 84. Now double this number. 84 into 2 equal to 168. 18 into 11. Now 18 is even number, we can divide it by 2. So 9 into 11 equal to 99. Now double this number. 99 into 2 equal to 198. 22 into 44. Divide 44 by 2 into 22 equal to 22 into 22 equal to 484. Now double this number into 2 equal to 968. Now this is the second type. First double it, then do half of it. That is 78 into 5 equal to 390. So 5 into 2 into 78. Now 5 into 2 is 10 into 78, that is 780. Now divide this number by 2, that is 390. Now practice these sums. Multiplication trick. First digits are same and last digit sum is 10. Here is the formula. A into A, AB into AC, A into A plus 1 and B into C. Let's see it by example. 43 into 47. Now the last digits are 7 and 3. The total addition sum is 10. So we can use this formula. So multiply 7 into 3 is 21, and for this 20 how it came? 4 into 4 plus 1, that is A into A plus 1, that is 4 into 5 equal to 20. So write it 20 here. 20, 21. This is the answer. Over here 124 into 126. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we can use this formula. Now 6 into 4 is 24. Over here 12 into 12 plus 1 by this formula, that is 12 into 13 is 156. So the answer is 15624. Now when first digits are same and last digit sums are 100, there is the same formula, only difference is B into C into D into E. Now see what is this? 290 into 210. 90 plus 10 is 100. So we can use this formula. How this 900 came? 90 into 10 is 900, that is BC into DE. So then add prefix before 900. So why to add prefix? As it's 3 digit, added prefix to make it 4 digit, that is 90 into 10 will be 4 digit answer. So this is 3 digit number. So to make it 4 digit, add a 0 over here. And what is this? 6. 2 into 2 plus 1 equal to 2 into 3 equal to 6. So the answer is 60900. Now when first digit same and last 3 digits are sums 2000. So the formula is same, only difference is BCD into EFG. That is 12900 into 12100 equal to 156090000. So how this 90,000 came? That is 900 into 100, that is BCD into EFG. Now add prefix before 90,000. Now how this 156 came? That is 12 into 12 plus 1 by this formula, that is 12 into 13 equal to 156. Multiplication trick. When the numbers are near to 10, that is, see by example, 7 into 8 equal to 56. Now how to calculate it by tricks? Now 7 is near to 10. How it is? 10 minus 3 is 7 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So write minus 2 in front of 8 and minus 3 in front of 7. Now multiply this 3 into 2. We get the units place, that is 6. And now 7 minus 2 is 5 and 8 minus 3 is also 5. So we write over here 5. Now see the second example, 14 into 8. Now 10 plus 4 is 14 and 10 minus 2 is 8. So write minus 2 in front of 8 and plus 4 in front of 14. Now multiply 2 into 4, that is 8, and 14 minus 2 is 12 and 8 plus 4 is 12. So write over here 12. Now when the numbers are near to 100, that is 93 into 97. Over here 93 is closer to 100. That is 100 minus 7 is 93 and 100 minus 3 is 97. So now multiply this 7 into 3 equal to 21. Write over here 21, and 93 minus 3 is 90 and 97 minus 7 is 90. So write this 90 over here. So this is our answer, 9021. Now try these sums. Multiplication. When first digits are same and last digit sums to 5. See by example, 81 into 84. Now 4 plus 1 is 5, so we can use this formula. 4 into 1 is 4. Now add a 0 as a prefix. how this 68 came? By this formula, 8 square plus half into 8, that is 64 plus 4 is 68. Now see the another example. 133 into 132 is 175 56. Now over here 3 into 2 is 6. Add a prefix as 0. Now by this formula, 13 square plus half into 13 is 169 plus 6.5. As this is 0.5, carry forward this 5. Now 169 plus 6 is 175. So write 175 over here and replace 0 by 5 by this carry forward. That is our answer, 175 56. Now when first digits are same and last digits sum to 50, the formula is same, only the difference is we take BC into DE. Now see the example, 625 into 625. Now over here, when the last two digits are 25 and 25, which sums to 50. Now 25 into 25 is 625 and add a prefix 0. By this formula, 6 square plus half into 6 is 36 plus 3 is 39. So write over here 39. So this makes our answer, 390625. Multiplication of two numbers ending with 5. Case 1. On left part, the sum of n digits is even, that is, see by example, 15 into 75. The left part is 1 and 7, the addition is 8, that is even number. So we can use this case. Step 1 is, right part answers is always 25, that is 5 into 5 is 25 always. Step 2, multiply and average to left part, that is 1 and 7. 1 into 7 plus 1 plus 7 by 2, that is 7 plus 4 equal to 11. So write over here 11. See another example, 135 into 75 equal to 10125, that is right part is 5 into 5 is 25 and left part sum is even. So 13 into 7 plus 13 plus 7 by 2, that is multiply and do it average, that is 91 plus 10 is 101. So the answer is 10125. Now try these sums. Case 2. On left part, sum of n digits is odd, that is 85 into 35. Left digits are 8 and 3. The addition is 11, that is odd number. So we can use this case. Step 1. When the digits on the left part is odd, then the right part is always 75, not 25. Step 2. Multiply and average minus 1, that is 8 into 3 plus 8 plus 3 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 24 plus 5, 29. So the answer is 2975. Now see another example, 145 into 75. 14 plus 7 is 21, that is odd number. So we can use this case. Over here 5 into 5 is 25, but when it is odd number we have to take 75. Now 14 into 7 plus 14 plus 7 minus 1 divided by 2, that is 98 plus 10, that is 108. So the answer is 10875. Now try this. Case 3. Left part is same. This is one of my favorite tricks. 85 into 85, that is 8 and 8 is same. So we can use this case. Now step 1. Right part is always 25, that is 5 into 5 is 25 always. Now in step 2, multiply with one next number to the left part. Now what is this? Over here 8 and 8 are same. So multiply 8 by the next number, that is 8 into 9. That is 8 into 9 is 72. That is answer is 7225. This is exactly the sum which my school teacher once asked in the classroom, and only I was able to answer this because I knew this trick at that time. Now what is this trick? 625 into 625. Now 5, that is 5 into 5 is 25. Now multiply 62 into the next number, that is 62 into 63. That is 62 into 63 is 3906. So write it down, 390625. Now try this. Multiplication of any numbers with 111, that is ABC into 111. So this is the way you have to write the sum, ABC, ABC, ABC. Now add this, A plus B, A plus B plus C, B plus C and C. Now see it by example, 225 into 111. So write it down, 2 2 5 2 2 5 2 2 5. Now add them. 2 2 plus 2 4, 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 5, that is 5. Now try these sums. Dividing any numbers by 9. AB divided by 9. Over here quotient will be A and remainder will be A plus B. For those who don't know what is quotient and remainder, see over here, divisor and dividend. Now when we divide, the quotient we get at the top and remainder we get at the bottom. Now see by example, 71 divided by 9. Quotient is 7, that is A, and remainder is A plus B, that is 7 plus 1 is 8. So the answer will be 71 divided by 9 equal to 7.8, that is 7.8. Now see the case 2. If remainder is greater than or equal to 9, then we divide it again by 9 and add its new quotient to the previous quotient. Now see by example, 83 divided by 9. The quotient is 8, that is A, and remainder is 8 plus 3 is 11. Now this is greater than 9, so we divide 11 by 9 again. Now the new quotient is 1, the remainder is 2. So now we add the quotient, both quotients. Quotient is equals to 8 plus 1, that is 8 plus 1 is 9, and remainder is 2. So the answer is 9.2. Dividing any numbers by 5. AB divided by 5 equal to AB into 2 into 10. That is, in first step multiply with 2, and in second step add a decimal point 1 space from right side. Let's see example. 3 divided by 5 equal to 3 into 2 divided by 10. That is, 3 into 2 is 6, and we add a decimal point from right side, that is 0.6. Now see another example. 24 divided by 5 equal to 24 into 2 divided by 10. That is, 24 into 2 is 48, and we add a decimal point from right side, that is 4.8. Now try these sums. Dividing any numbers by 4. AB divided by 4 equal to AB into 25 upon 100. That is, step 1 multiply with 25, and step 2 is add a decimal point 2 space from right side. Over here 3 divided by 4 equal to 3 into 25 upon 100. So 3 into 25 is 75. Now we add a decimal point from right side at 2 places, that is 1 2, that is 0.75. 30 divided by 4 equal to 30 into 25 divided by 100. So 30 into 25 is 750. Now we add a decimal point from right side at 2 places, that is 1 2, that is 7.50. Now try this. Square of numbers ending with 5. A5 square equal to A into A plus 1, and we write 25 at the last place. Let's see example. 85 square. Now 8 is A. Now solve by this formula. Equal to 8 into 8 plus 1, and equal to, that is 8 into 9, that is 72, and we write 25 as it is. So the answer is 7225. Now 35 square equal to 3 into 3 plus 1 is 3 into 4, that is 12. Now we write 25 as it is. So the answer is 1225. Now try these sums. Squaring any numbers in 50s, that is from 50 to 60. Now let's see by example. 51 square equal to 5 square plus 1 and 1 square. So what is this? Over here 5 as it is, and we will do the square, that is 5 square plus 1, the sum is 51, that is 5 and 1, so we do the 5 square and plus 1, and we take the second digits square, that is 1 square. So we solve this. 5 square is 25 plus 1 is 26, and 1 square is 1. Squaring when number is near to 10. Now 9 square, so as 9 is near to 10, so how to solve this? 9 minus 1 and 1 square, so what is this? It's near to 10, that is 10 minus 1 is 9, so we do 9 minus 1. It is basically we write this 9 as it is and minus 1, because it is 10 minus 1 is 9, so minus 1 we write it over here, and this 1 we take it as 1 square. So now 9 minus 1 is 8 and 1 square is 1, so 9 square is 81. Now 14 square, 14 plus 4 and 4 square, we write 14 as it is, and 10 plus 4 is 14, so we add plus 4 over here and we do the square of this 4, that is 4 square. Now 14 plus 4 is 18 and 4 square is 16. Over here 1 is there, so we take 1 as carryover, that is 18 plus 1 is 19, so we write 19 and 6, and we will write this as it is, that is 196, so 14 square is 196. Now try this. Now squaring when number is near to 100. Now 95 square, so 95 is near to 100, so we write 95 as it is and minus 5. Now what is this minus 5? Now 100 minus 5 is 95, so we write minus 5 over here and we take 5 square as it is. So 95 minus 5 is 90 and 5 square is 25, so we write 9025. So 95 square is 9025. 89 square, it is 89 minus 11. Now 100 minus 11 is 89, so we write over here minus 11 and over here 11 square. So 89 minus 11 is 78 and 11 square is 121. Now over here there are 3 digits, so we take 1 as carryover, that is 78 plus 1 is 79. Now 78 plus 1 is 79 and we left with 21, so 21, so we write this as it is, that is 7921. So 89 square is 7921. Now try this. Squaring numbers till 100. Now 11 square is 121. So how to solve this? 11 square equal to 11 plus 1 and 1 square. What is this 1? We done here plus 1, so write this 1 as it is. So the 11 plus 1 is 12 and 1 square is 1, so the answer is 121. Why we take here plus 1? Because 10 plus 1 is 11, so we take the 10 as the base. So 10 plus 1 is 11, so we write over here plus 1. Now see another example. 39 square equal to 1521. Now 39 is closer to 4, that is 40. So we take the 40 as base. Now 40 minus 1 is 39. So we first multiply 4 into 39 as it is and minus 1. Why minus 1? Because 40 minus 1 is 39. So minus 1 and write this 1 as it is, 1 square. So by solving this 152 and 1 square as it is, the answer is 1521. Now see another example. 26 square equal to 676. Now 26 square. So we over here take the base as 20. So we first multiply it by 2 and 26 plus 6. Now 20 plus 6 is 26. Therefore we write over here plus 6 and we write this 6 as it is over here. So now calculate this. 64 and 36, because 6 square is 36. Now we take this 3 as carryover to 64, that is 64 plus 3 is 67. So the answer is 676. Now try these sums. Now to find cube roots till 100, this is the formula. AB cube, that is, then write a cube a into 3 into a into b, then b into 3 into a into b, and b cube. Now see by example, 32 cube equal to, now here 3 is a and 2 is b. Now write by this formula, 3 cube into 3 into a into b, that is 3 into 2. Now 2 into 3 into a into b, that is 3 into 2, and b cube, that is 2 cube. Now solve this. 3 cube is 27. Now by solving this we get 54, and by solving this we get 36, and by solving this we get 8. Now write it down. 8. Now write this 6 and take this 3 as carryover. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. Now take this 5 as carryover. 5 plus 7 is 12. Now we get over here 1 carryover. 2 plus 1 is 3. The answer is 32768. Now see another example. 54 cube equal to, write down by this formula, 5 cube into 3 into 3 into 5 into 4, 4 into 3 into 5 into 4, and 4 cube. Now solve this. 5 cube is 125. By solving this we get 300. By solving this we get 240, and 4 cube is 64. Now write it down. 4 as it is. Now 6 take as carryover. Now 0 plus 6 is 6. Now take 4 as carryover. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. Now take this 2 carryover to the next number, that is 2, that is 5. Now 2 plus 5 is 7. Now take this 3 carryover to the 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, and now write 1 as it is. The answer is 157464. Now try these sums. Cube roots. Finding cube roots of a number is one of the easiest topic in mathematics. It is mandatory to know the cube roots of numbers till 10. Number, cube, and last digit of a cube. 1 cube is 1 and the last digit is 1. 2 cube is 8, the last digit of a cube is 8. 3 cube is 27 and the last digit of a cube is 7. 4 cube is 64 and the last digit of a cube is 4. Ends with the same digit, that is 4. 5 cube is 125 and ends with the same digit 5. 6 cube 216 and ends with the same digit 6 as it is. 7 cube is 343, ends with 3. 8 cube is 512 and ends with 2. 9 cube is 729, last digit of a cube is 9, ends with the same digit. 10 cube is 1000 and ends with 0, ends with the same digit. Cube roots. It is only useful to find cubes till 100, and also cube should be a perfect cube. Now let's see an example. Now the cube root of 474552 is 78. Now how to calculate this? Form a group of 3, that is 474 and 552. 474 and 552. Now the first group, that is 474, lies between 7 cube and 8 cube, that is 343 and 512. Then the cube root lies between 70 and 80. So this is obvious that first digit of a cube root is 7, as this lies between 70 and 80. Now the second group 552 helps to find the last digit of a cube root. As the last digit ends with 2, the last digit of a cube root is 8, as we have seen in the previous video. Now, so the answer is 78. Now try this. Now verification of cubes. So how to verify whether the cube root is correct or not? So over here, left hand side is 53 cube and right hand side answer is 148877. So now how to verify this? Now LHS is 53. So now add the 5 and 3, that is 5 plus 3 is 8. Now 8 cube is 512. So now add 512, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2. The answer is 8. Now in the RHS, that is 148877, add this all the numbers. 1 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7. The answer is 26. Now add this 2 plus 6, that is 26. The answer is 8. So over here LHS and RHS is same, that is 8 and 8. So this answer is correct. Now try these sums. Percentage of hundreds and 50. 17.25 percentage of 400. Now how to calculate this? Now it is 400, that is 4 times 100, that is 100, 200, 300 and 400. So now 17.25 for first 100, 17.25 for second 100, 17.25 for third 100 and 17.25 for fourth 100. So now calculate this 17.25 4 times. 17.25 plus 17.25 plus 17.25 plus 17.25 is 69. So the 17.25 percentage of 400 is 69. Now 6 percentage of 150. Now 6 for first 100 and 3 for remaining 50. So what is this? Now 6 for first 100, that is 100, and the remaining number is 50. So we divide 6 by 2, that is 6 divided by 2 is 300. Thus 6 plus 3 is 9. Now try this. Percentage when it's not 50 and 100. Now 7 percentage of 40. Now this is 40, which is not 50 and near to 100 also. So now 0.7 for first 10, 0.7 for second 10, 0.7 for third 10 and 0.7 for fourth 10. Now what is this 10? That is 10, 20, 30, 40. That is 4 times 10. Now add this 0.7 4 times. 0.7 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 plus 0.7, that is 2.8. So 7% of 40 is 2.8. Here we take 0.7 because 7 divided by 10 is 0.7. So we take it as 0.7. Now 12% of 35. 1.2 for first 10, 1.2 for second 10, 1.2 for third 10. Now we left with the remaining 5. So what to do with this? 1.2 divided by 2 is 0.6 for remaining 5. Now add this all. 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 1.2 plus 0.6 equal to 4.2. So 12% of 35 is 4.2. Now try this. Now these are fixed percentage values. 2.5 percentage of a number, then we take it as number divided by 40. Now 5 percentage of a number equal to number divided by 20. 10 percentage of a number equal to number divided by 10. 12.5 percentage of a number equal to number divided by 8. 20 percentage of a number equal to number divided by 5. Now 25 percentage of a number equal to number divided by 4. 33.33% of a number equal to number divided by 3. 50% of a number equal to number divided by 2. 66.66% of a number equal to number into 2 divided by 3. 75% of a number equal to number into 3 divided by 4. 80% of a number equal to number into 4 divided by 5. Now 100% of a number equal to number itself.